Hey, I'm JR, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Infinity reference line of car speakers. Now, I've been at Crutchfield a long time, and the entire 24 years I've been here, we have been selling Infinity reference speakers. They have long been top-selling, very popular speakers for a couple of key reasons, and that all still holds true with the Infinity reference speakers available today. You can get them in a wide range of sizes, 3.5-inch, 4-inch, 4x6, 6x8s, all available as a two-way or coaxial speaker. You can get 5.25, 6.5, and 6x9, either two-way coax design or component systems where the tweeter is separated from the woofer. You got a bunch of choices. No matter what size speakers are in your car, they probably have a speaker that fits. There's several reasons Infinity reference speakers are a great choice to replace your factory or OEM speakers. One, they're very efficient. They're going to give you a lot of sound without a lot of power. So if you're just using these with your factory radio, they're going to give you more sound than most other speakers. And that's partly due to their efficiency as well as their true 4-ohm design. What that means is these speakers are actually a 3-ohm impedance. That slightly lower impedance draws a little bit more power from whatever you're powering them with. And when you combine the speaker's impedance with the speaker wire that goes from the speaker to your radio or your amplifier, you actually end up at around 4 ohms. So your electronics will be safe as well. And if you want to add more power by replacing the radio or adding an amplifier, they can handle all of that as well. And with Infinity reference, they're going to fit most vehicles. Infinity designs their speakers to fit many cars and even includes brackets to make sure they're versatile in how they are going to fit even more cars. Now let's talk about sound a little bit. The woofer itself is a poly woofer connected to a rubber surround, and it's connected in such a way that your woofer is actually a little bit bigger than most other speakers of the same size. And that larger woofer cone, that larger surface area, gives you a little bit more bass than most other speakers. So with less power, you're going to get more bass than many competitors. The tweeters are textile-based, dome tweeters that are edge-driven. All of that means smooth, clear sound. There's a couple other things that make them special as well. For example, on the two-way speakers, the tweeters are angled. So when you mount them in your door, make sure you angle them up at your head so that your ears can take advantage of the tweeter's directional sound. You'll also notice on the tweeters there's a small button. This is an attenuation button. It adjusts the brightness of the tweeters. And the reason you want that is because different cars have speakers in different locations. If your speakers are mounted low in your doors, that sound from your speakers, it might be difficult to make it all the way up to your ear holes. If the speakers are mounted up high, it may be very bright and very in your face. And you can dial that in with that attenuation button. So like I said, these are a great replacement for factory or OEM speakers. Here's an example of one. This is a typical factory speaker with a paper woofer, a foam surround, and this little cardboard whizzer cone that does not do a very good job of giving you the mids and highs. The tweeters on these speakers are going to be much better. So that's the Infinity reference line of car speakers. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you have any questions about these speakers and whether that they might be right for your car, drop us a line in the comment section. We do look at our comments. We try to respond whenever possible. Also, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.